this ruler for a while. Looks funny shaped. Can't possibly see it too well. Can you see it better there? I don't know. It's for making pineapple blocks, and I've never used it, so this will be the first time of using it. It's a very bad edge cut on there. Never mind. Right, so I'm starting off with I'm starting off with a 2.5-inch square, and I'm going to sew 2-inch strips of this cream around it, and then try and cut it down how it's supposed to. But I'll sew the 2.5-inch strips on all 4 sides. This says it's 1, so I'm going for it. So I'm putting the square that's on it, and then I will trim both sides down. Turn it around and do it again. So the other 2 sides. So we'll now see what happens. Whoops. Knocked into another ruler. So that's the first bit. So we'll now put some of this burnt orange rust around it and see how that works out. Whoops! I cut the first bit out wrong, so I carried on a bit longer so I could get the hang of it, and now I've sorted another one. And that's as far as I've got. What I did is I cut that square and then just squared it up, which was wrong. You need this square on the bit that's cut, and you line it up best you can. There, that looks better. A lot better than doing a square and a square. So now I'm just going to carry on rounds. So when I've sewn next ones to it, I'll come back to you. So that's the first colour round. Now, because I did this one last time, did I? Yes, I did this one last time. I'm doing that one, the corner one, this time. So let's get that over my square, and we can this time cut 2 sides. And now I'm going to sew on some of the cream. I found that I keep forgetting which bit I'm on, so I have to check to see where I cut last time, so I know that I'm going to be cutting on this side. So we'll line it up now. I think I'm on that one. I don't believe I've just changed, well, recently changed me blade and me cutter, and it's going funny. Not cutting right. That's where I am now, so let's put another round on. There is my pineapple block. It's working out. It's around about 10.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is put a border of cream around it, and then I can trim that down to the size that my other blocks are going to be. So, I'm not sure whether I like it that way around. I think it actually looks better when you've got more colour on it and just a bit of white cream. But that's what I'm having. So I've now sewn 2.5 inch strips around all 4 edges. It's bigger than I will be wanting for the blocks, but as I've said before, I'd rather be able to cut them down to size than try and get them bigger. So that's now block 6. Yay! Bye!